I'm Colin Singer, immigration lawyer and managing partner of Immigration.ca. Canada Immigration News Articles, November 2014. Ruling that expanded refugee appeal powers challenged by Ottawa. Immigration Minister Chris Alexander is appealing a federal court decision that rejects the manner in which the Canadian government's new Refugee Appeal Division evaluates refugee claims. In August, a judge ruled that the division of the Immigration and Refugee Board, IRB, has been using too narrow a scope to conduct its work. In a case involving 3 failed refugee claimants from Kosovo, Judge Michael Phelan ruled the Appeal Division has been checking only the reasonableness of decisions by the board to declare whether individuals are refugees, the equivalent of a judicial review. Justice Phelan said that the division should exercise its full powers as an appellate body to reconsider the facts of a case and substitute a new decision if it disagrees with the Appeal Division. Now the federal government is opposing this broadening of the Appeal Division's role. The federal court certified the government's appeal last month. A spokeswoman for Citizenship and Immigration Canada said in an email recently, the government's appeal is intended to seek clarification on the court ruling, specifically on the scope of the appeal function of the Refugee Appeal Division of the Immigration and Refugee Board of Canada. Critics believe the government's reaction to the ruling is predictable. It's the second time the government has launched an appeal on a refugee matter in recent weeks. Earlier in October, the government also appealed a ruling by Federal Court Justice Anne McTavish, who found that cuts to refugee health care were cruel and unusual treatment and unconstitutional. Refugee scholar Shari Aiken of Queen's University in Kingston, Ontario, said that she expects the government to try to take the question of the scope of the refugee appeal process to the Supreme Court of Canada if necessary. The Refugee Appeal Division was promised but never created, and when it finally was created in 2012, the government placed several restrictions on who can launch an appeal. Source: CBC News.